Tired of potential customers leaving your Shopify store because they don't trust your products? Let's fix that by embedding Google reviews directly onto your website using the Fera app. First, head over to your Shopify admin and click on Apps, then visit the Shopify App Store in the search bar. Type Fera Product Reviews and hit Enter. Find the Fera Product Reviews app in the search results and click on it to open the app page. Now, click on the Install button to begin installing the Fera app onto your Shopify store. You will be redirected to an installation permissions page. Click on the Install App button again to grant Fera the necessary permissions. Once installed, Fera will guide you through a quick onboarding process. Choose Google Reviews as a data source, and then click the Connect Google button to connect to your Google business profile. You'll be prompted to sign into your Google account. Select the account associated with your Google business profile and grant Fera the requested permissions. Fera will now import your Google reviews. From there, you can customize the look and feel of your testimonial carousel within the Fera app settings, tailoring it to match your store's branding. Adjust the layout, colors, animation speed and more. In order for the carousel to display on your store, copy the unique code snippet generated by Fera. Next, open your Shopify theme editor. Navigate to the product page template where you want to display the reviews. Add a custom liquid section, and paste the Fera code snippet into the section. Save the changes and preview your product page. You should now see your Google reviews beautifully displayed in a testimonial carousel, building trust and boosting conversions.